You keep looking for the enemy outside, the competition, the critics, the bad luck. But what if the real enemy is the voice in your head, the one that whispers, not today, maybe tomorrow? That voice doesn't scream, it negotiates. It convinces you to stay comfortable while your potential quietly fades. Self-sabotage isn't obvious. It looks like scrolling instead of starting, overthinking instead of acting, waiting instead of becoming. According to research from Stanford University, our brains are wired to avoid discomfort, even if that discomfort leads to growth. So every time you choose comfort, your brain rewards you and slowly trains you to stay stuck. Think about it. How many times did you delay something important, not because you couldn't do it, but because it felt hard? Even Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before creating the light bulb. Imagine if he listened to that same voice telling him to stop. The difference isn't talent, it's who wins the internal battle. And here's the truth most people avoid. Your biggest enemy knows everything about you, your fears, your weaknesses, your excuses, because it's you. But the moment you recognize it, everything changes. You start catching the excuses, you act despite discomfort, you move before you feel ready. And that's where power begins, because discipline isn't about motivation. It's about choosing growth when your mind begs for comfort. Right now, there's a version of you waiting on the other side of this battle, stronger, focused, unstoppable, but it only exists if you stop sabotaging yourself. So the next time that voice tells you to wait, do the opposite. Act, start, move, because your future isn't being destroyed by others, it's being decided by you. If this message hits something real inside you, don't ignore it. Subscribe to Aura Sparks and start taking control of the one thing that matters you most, your own mind. And tell me in the comments, what's one excuse you're done believing?